Everybody's heard this before. Yeah, we built this whole web application by hand. Sounds impressive, right? But in 2026, that statement raises a serious question. Why? Because today, we already have powerful platforms that do the same thing better, faster, and proven. So when someone says hand-coded, you've got to ask, are they building value or rebuilding what already exists? Let's break this down. For example, a modern directory website needs user accounts, search, payments, dashboards, coupons, and more. That's not simple. A developer building that from scratch, you're looking at 300, maybe 800 hours, and that's before maintenance. Now compare that to a platform like Ideal Directories. First of all, let me give you a full disclosure statement. I subscribed to Ideal Directories in the past for testing and evaluation purposes and found it to be a superior platform in my opinion. It's already built, already tested, already working. So the real question is, why start from zero? Here's what hand coding really costs: time, money, and long-term responsibility. Because once it's built, you're not done. Now you've got bugs, updates, security issues. That's not a project. That's a permanent obligation. Meanwhile, a SaaS platform gives you all of that instantly for a predictable monthly fee. That's not just convenience, that's smart business. Now let's talk about what really gets missed: accessibility. Most custom-built apps, they fail here. Not on purpose, but because accessibility is specialized. Keyboard navigation, screen readers, color contrast. These aren't extras. These are requirements, legal requirements. And if it's not built in from the start, you've got risk. Here's where SaaS platforms have the advantage: consistency. A platform like Ideal Directories runs on one code base. So when something gets fixed, it gets fixed for everyone. Now compare that to custom code. If the developer walks away, so does your support. And now you're stuck with something nobody fully understands. Let's be honest. There's some ego behind "I built this from scratch." And sometimes that's justified, but not for standard business tools. Directories, listings, membership sites, these are solved problems. Clients don't need reinvention. They need results: speed, stability, and scalability. The companies that are winning right now, they're not building everything from zero. They're using proven platforms, customizing what actually matters, and focusing on growth. Because your advantage is not your code, it's your execution. So next time someone says, "We'll hand code your application," don't be impressed. Ask better questions. Why not use a proven system? Who maintains it? What's the real cost? Because this isn't about coding, it's about risk. And unnecessary risk is bad business. Use what works, fix what matters, and make sure your website isn't quietly putting your business at risk. Visit 508helpdesk.com. Take a closer look. Make accessibility part of your standard, not an afterthought.